Select the drug which directly inhibits HIV reverse transcriptase without the need for intracellular activation by phosphorylation, that is nevirapine. According to current guidelines, previously untreated symptomatic HIV patients should be treated with any 2 nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors plus 1 protease inhibitor. Indicate the drug that is used to treat chronic hepatitis B, that is lamivudine and human interferon A alpha. Choose the correct statement about retroviral protease inhibitors. They are most active in inhibiting HIV than zidovudine, and they inhibit CYP3A4 and interact with many other drugs. Select the drug which directly inhibits HIV reverse transcriptase without the need for intracellular activation by phosphorylation, that is nevirapine. According to current guidelines, previously untreated symptomatic HIV patients should be treated with any 2 nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors plus 1 protease inhibitor. Anti-HIV drug therapy is recommended in the following category of HIV exposed subjects, that is HIV positive asymptomatic subjects with CD4 cell count less than 200 per microliter. Antiretroviral therapy is not recommended in asymptomatic HIV infected subjects with CD4 cell count more than 350 per microliter because all antiretroviral drugs lose efficacy after some time. Adverse effects of antiretroviral drugs compromise the quality of life of asymptomatic subjects, and the treated subjects may produce the transmit drug resistance virus. A health worker got accidentally exposed to HIV infected biological sample. Antiretroviral treatment will achieve the following in him, that reduce the risk of contracting HIV infection. Select the drug that acts by inhibiting HIV protease enzyme, that is nelfinavir. Select the drug that is active against both HIV and hepatitis B virus, that is lamivudine. Antiretroviral treatment affords the following benefits in HIV infection, that increases CD4 leukocyte count, reduces the incidence of opportunistic infections in AIDS patient, increases survival time in AIDS patient. Though the following drug reduces HIV titer, it is used only to treat associated cytomegalovirus infection in AIDS patients, that is foscarnet. The virus directed reverse transcriptase enzyme is inhibited by zidovudine. The following anti-HIV drugs should not be combined with zidovudine because of mutual antagonism, that is tauudine. Zidovudine inhibits the following viruses, that is human immunodeficiency virus. Currently, monotherapy with zidovudine is recommended for asymptomatic HIV patients or subjects with CD4 cell count more than 200 per microliter, asymptomatic HIV patients with CD4 cell count less than 200 per microliter, and HIV positive subjects with opportunistic infection. Ganciclovir is preferred over acyclovir in the following condition, that is cytomegalovirus retinitis in AIDS patient. Choose the correct statement about famciclovir, that is it is used orally to treat genital herpes simplex. Idoxuridine is indicated in herpes simplex keratitis. The high virus selectivity of acyclovir is due to its preferential uptake by virus infected cells and need of virus specific enzymes for its conversion to the active metabolite. Which of the following viruses is most susceptible to acyclovir, that is herpes simplex type 1 virus? What is true of acyclovir treatment of genital herpes simplex? That oral therapy for 10 days affords symptomatic relief but does not prevent recurrences. Idoxuridine is indicated in herpes simplex keratitis. The high virus selectivity of acyclovir is due to its preferential uptake by virus infected cells and need of virus specific enzyme for its conversion to the active metabolite. The distinctive feature of terbinafine is it can be used topically as well as orally for dermatophytosis. The following are topical antifungal drugs except crotometon. Crotamidone. The only azole antifungal drug which has some activity against molds like Aspergillus is itraconazole. Select the drug that is fungicidal and acts by inhibiting fungal squalene epoxidase enzyme, that is terbinafine. The following drugs are effective in systemic mycosis except terbinafine. The following is applicable to itraconazole except it is preferred for the treatment of fungal meningitis. Fluconazole is more effective than itraconazole in the following systemic fungal disease, that is cryptococcal meningitis. Fluconazole differs from ketoconazole in that it is unlikely to produce anti-androgenic side effects. Fluconazole offers the following advantages over ketoconazole, that is it is longer acting, its absorption from stomach is not dependent on gastric acidity, and it produces fewer side effects. The following statement is true about ketoconazole except given orally it is the first line treatment for vaginal candidiasis. Choose the azole antifungal drug which is used only topically, iconazole. Clotrimazole is used for the following conditions except monilial diarrhea. Which antifungal agent is effective in both dermatophytosis as well as systemic mycosis, that is ketoconazole. Adverse effects of ketoconazole include the following except kidney damage. Select the antifungal drug which is administered only by oral route, that is griseofulvin. The most probable mechanism of action of imidazole antifungal drug is they interfere with ergosterol synthesis by fungi. Indicate the antifungal antibiotic which is used intravenously for systemic mycosis, that is amphotericin B. The drug of choice for monilial diarrhea is nystatin. Griseofulvin is indicated in onychomycosis. In the multi-drug therapy of leprosy, rifampicin is given monthly. The following is true of multi-drug therapy of leprosy except it has highly successful in paucibacillary but not in multibacillary cases.